What to do if the staples are hitting too deep? There are two reasons for the failure. First, the bumper is damaged. Second, the air pressure is too high. Adjust the air pressure to 70 to 100 psi. Open the exhaust cover. Take out the cylinder inside. If the bumper here is damaged, will cause the staples to be driven too deep. Just replace it with a new bumper. Please note that it is installed in the position of the exhaust hole. Insert the driver. Reinstall the cylinder. Put on the O-ring and the retainer ring. Put on the exhaust cover and tighten the screws. After the repair is completed, we install the staples. Check whether the nailing is smooth. Adjust the air pressure to 70 to 100 psi.